Are you looking for a way to get more veggies in your diet? Well, stay tuned because I've got a great recipe for you. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of The Wellness Connection. I'm Michelle LeMay, and as promised, today I've got a really easy recipe that you can get more veggies in your diet, and that is a cauliflower smoothie or shake. I know what you're thinking. I thought the same thing a few years ago. That sounds gross. But I think you're going to be surprised at how creamy and yummy it really is. Now, if we can get more cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower in our diet, and if you don't know what cruciferous vegetables are, I'm going to attach a link in the description box below of my husband, Dr. Mark LeMay, interviewing Dr. Dave Hogshead, talking about getting more cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower in your diet. So this is a really easy, yummy way to do that. And cauliflower is great because it is high in fiber and B vitamins. It is very low in carbs, so if you're doing a low carb diet or keto, this is a great vegetable. And there's a whole lot more good stuff in cauliflower. So let's get started. There's really just a few ingredients, so we're just gonna roll right into it, okay? So I got my Blendtec blender, and I like to use this coconut milk. So I'm gonna start with 8 ounces or 1 cup of coconut milk. And I'm going to, if you use frozen cauliflower, it just makes it that much more frothy and creamy and just really good. So this is about a third. I would say start out a little bit small at a time and then maybe add more and play with the taste and stuff until you get up to maybe a half a cup, or maybe you like even more than that. So maybe start with a third of a cup frozen cauliflower. I'm going to get these guys out of here for the time being, and I'm going to add a really yummy vegetable protein to this, and that is by standard process, and it is a vanilla flavored vegetable protein shake. So if I were just doing it all by itself, I would do 4 scoops, but because it's going to be with a whole bunch of other things, I'm just going to add 1 scoop for now. Okay, so we got our Veggie Pro complete, and now the meat and potatoes sort of it is the SP complete. This has all kinds of fruits and vegetables, vegetables and protein and all kinds of good stuff in it. So for more on this, you can see my video where I make the fastest, healthiest smoothie in 2 minutes, and I'll attach that video as well for you to watch. So I'm going to put in 2 scoops of that, and I'm going to add a couple of cubes. There's 3 ice cubes in here, so it gets nice and cold and yummy. You might want to add some type of oil. Flaxseed oil is a really great option. I use that in my other smoothie. This is kind of like not a whole lot of flavor to it, so it doesn't conflict. So, you know me, I don't measure, I just kind of eyeball it, and yeah, it looks like probably about a tablespoon. And if you want to give it a really good vanilla taste, you can add some organic vanilla extract. And maybe a half a teaspoon, something like that. You can go all out and do a teaspoon if you like, but that would be kind of a lot for 8 ounces for just a single shake. Now, the SP Complete is not sweetened with anything. There is a little bit of sweetener, healthy sweetener, monk fruit in the Veggie Pro, but I'm going to add a little bit of extra sweetness with stevia. So I'm just going to put a few drops of liquid stevia in there, maybe 1, 2, 3. We'll see. We will find out together. Okay, so we've got our milk, we've got some extra protein, we've got our veggies and protein, we've got some good oil, we've got our vanilla and a little bit of sweetener. Okay, you ready? Plug your ears for a moment and let's get mixing. All right, we are done. Okay, and I got my handy dandy standard process little cup here. Whoa, that is super white and creamy looking. I remember when my husband, Dr. LeMay, said the first time he tried this that it tasted like a vanilla milkshake. I'm like, cauliflower? Here, you want to try it? I'm like, no thanks. It took me about, I don't know, over a year before I had the guts to try it. So, all right. So we're trying this together. I'm going to put some of it there. All right, let's see how yummy and creamy this is. No, just kidding. No, that's really good. It does taste like a vanilla milkshake. Yes, because it has a little bit of vanilla in there, of course, but I don't taste any cauliflower. That's really good. That's really good, and it's nice and cold, especially on a hot day. It just tastes really, really good. All right, there you have it, gang. I hope you give this really simple, easy, yummy, healthy recipe a try. If you like it and if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. We appreciate the little pats on the back. And as always, we'd love for you to subscribe to our channel because every week we are sharing a new recipe, tidbits about health and wellness, hopefully things that will enhance it and make your life better. So we appreciate you subscribing and sharing us with others. So tune in again next week, and we'll see you next time on The Wellness Connection. Bye for now.